Hi guys, welcome to Strands YouTube channel. Today we want to present the Unity Ultra Flat Duo. Small reverse light with approved warning light. So approved reverse, approved warning. About 600 lumen. We're not allowed to have too much lumen on the reverse lights to get them approved. But we made the beam very narrow on the height, but super wide on the width. So you will get really good reverse light for your car. The warning light is also approved. It's got a, what do we call it, double flash pattern, only one, and approved. Like this, and we have the super wide beam. Only consumes 9 watt for the work light and 9 watt for the warning light. Not much consumption, but you get light where you need it when you reverse. And you also get seen with the warning light. When you mount it, we prefer to have the plastic down. It's when you get stone chips and everything on the metal, it's easy to get corrosion. Plastic withstands that better. You just get a little faded instead. So, but we have a specially made bracket for it. So you can hang it really nice under the bumper on the back if you want to. And you get some adjustment possibility. So you can get it exactly where you want it. You get a rubber pad also to prevent corrosion. So we want to keep the different metals from each other, and you also get a little bit of vibration, help with the vibration. If you don't want to use that, we have small angle brackets, L brackets, whatever you want to call it. So you can put them on the side or you can put them on the back. So different mounting opportunities. You get a couple of these really small rubber things to put in the hole that you don't use, so you don't get salt or stuff in there to get you. This also helps with corrosion. So a couple of mounting opportunities. So many people ask for these functions on this particular light. So I really hope you try it. I really hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.